In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook page that can be monetized.
Open Facebook and tap the three-dot menu. Tap on Page and tap on Create. Create a new page, just tap on Next. Now type your page name. Let me give my page a name, Alexin Digital, and tap Next. Now here you're going to choose your category. Your category means what you'll be posting video about, what you'll be posting content about. Do you want to be a personal blog, or do you have a product or service, or are you a musician? Now you can go to the search bar. Let me type digital creator. Right, that's my category. I'll be posting content about digital stuff. I'll then choose that and click create. Let's give it a few seconds and we'll have our page ready. Now here you are going to put your bio here, your website, your email, your phone number, your location, your city, your postcode. For now, we'll skip this, right? Let me just click that. We will do that later in the profile setting. Now here you can also upload your profile picture. Go to your gallery and upload your profile picture, but I will skip this for now. You can also upload your cover. All right, but for now I will skip that. I'll click next. Now you can also invite friends on Facebook to like your page, but for now I'll just put for next. I'll do that later. Stay informed about your page, marketing and promotional email about your page notification on your profile, and click next. If you don't want to receive notification from your page to your profile, you can turn it off. If you don't want to receive email about marketing and promotion about your page from Facebook, you can turn it off. But for me, I love to leave this on. I'll then click next. Now our page is ready. Okay, now our page is live. Now here, now you can customize your Facebook page very perfectly. As you can see, finish setting up your page. You can put your intro here. That means that's your bio. Okay, what your page is about. You can put your website here, your blog or whatsoever. You can also add a promotion or affiliate link, your social, your emails, your media kit, and click done. Okay, now your page is ready. Click next. Say introducing fee specifically for Alexin Digital. I click next. Click next. Click next. And also, these are few people. Facebook is going to give you a suggested people for you to follow. But if you're not in the mood of that, clip at the top here, just click skip. You can do that later. Now your page is ready. To go to your dashboard, type this your profile and tap on professional dashboard. Now say explore your own on Facebook. Start with challenge. Just skip that for now. Tap this and leave that for now. Now you can see the monetization feature is already available. Once you are eligible, you will start to be earning from Facebook. What you have to do is to be posting consistently. You'll be seeing your analytics, your view, your earning, your engagement, step by step. All you have to do is to start posting relevant content. You'll also be seeing your insight, your content, your engagement, everything will be live on your page. You already have a monetized Facebook page. All you have to do is to start posting consistently. Start posting consistently. You need to optimize your profile. Okay, if you want tutorial about that, how to optimize your Facebook profile, drop tutorial and I'll show you how to optimize it. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now.